They say billionaires live differently, but Elon Musk lives like he's in a real-life spy movie. Whether it's advancing space exploration through SpaceX or changing the way we think about the human brain with Neuralink, Musk always has something new and unpredictable in the making. But hey, you know you've made it when your bodyguards cost more than a small country's military budget. When you're Elon Musk, obviously the most unpredictable billionaire on Earth, what does it really take to stay alive and unhacked? Forget private jets and fancy boats. Musk reportedly has a $1 billion private security force that operates more like a secret intelligence agency than a typical bodyguard squad. We're talking ex-CIA operatives, undercover agents inside his companies, and a Cybertruck built like a tank. It is the most expensive security that money can buy. But here's the thing. Why does one man need this much protection? What threats does he face to justify this level of security? Interesting. This isn't just fear, it's preparation. And once you see what's going on behind the scenes, you'll understand why even governments are taking notes. Why Musk needs more than just a guy in a suit. Elon Musk isn't just a businessman. He's sometimes trolling people on Twitter and sometimes creating something new, depending on the day of the week. He's launched rockets, made electric cars super cool, and is currently trying to plug USB ports into human brains. That kind of innovation makes enemies. Oil tycoons, auto manufacturers, also on the list of enemies. When you change that many industries and do it within years, you can't just walk around with a walkie-talkie and hope for the best. Elon's security isn't just bodyguards. It's a full-blown intelligence operation, from XX spies to cyber commandos. According to multiple sources and whispered rumors, Musk's protection detail includes former CIA agents, the Mossad-trained operatives, ex-Navy SEALs, cyber warfare specialists. These people aren't standing outside doors, they're all inside Tesla, SpaceX, and X, formerly Twitter, running surveillance, monitoring data streams, and searching for potential threats before they even happen. Some reportedly blend in as employees, but their real job? Keeping Musk at least 10 steps ahead of the danger. Think Men in Black, but without the suits, and with a whole lot of coding. Predicting threats like it's Minority Report. Musk's team doesn't wait for things to go wrong. They run predictive analysis on everything. Every factory visit, every speech, every public step is first run through cyber scans, digital sweeps, and AI simulations. If Elon's flying to Austin, the team already knows if a protest is rising, whether a drone is in the area, and which Wi-Fi hotspots might be hacked. There's probably a guy in a bunker somewhere yelling, "Sir, we've detected a virus in a Reddit thread. Stay safe." Yes, it sounds like a little too much until you realize this is the same person trying to colonize Mars and upload consciousness. He's not just famous in America, his photos are found all over the world. The rise of the cyber bodyguards. Musk's digital presence isn't just a target, it's a goldmine for bad actors. From Starlink to Tesla software, he's spotted in some of the most sensitive tech on Earth. And hey, you know what they say, if you have a cure for something, you better keep it to yourself. But Elon Musk is changing things radically, and that, in itself, is quite dangerous. That's why his cyber team isn't just a couple of IT guys resetting passwords. They're full-time digital bodyguards who reportedly use AI pattern recognition, phishing decoys, behavioral monitoring, encrypted communication. They don't just defend, they bait. Fake leaks are used to lure hackers in, then reverse track them. The Cybertruck that could survive anything. And let's talk about his ride. Musk is often spotted in a Tesla Cybertruck, but it's not an old model. Rumor has it his version includes ballistic armor, high-level protection, emergency oxygen, manual override for GPS blackouts. It's less car and more of a Batmobile, the kind of vehicle you take when you think Mad Max is just a couple of years ahead. Honestly, if you see Elon driving down the street, don't mess with him. Just assume he's already scanned your face, evaluated your threat level, and dismissed you as a low risk. Drills, simulations, and paranoia. The team guarding Musk isn't just waiting for a worst-case scenario. They're rehearsing it regularly. Every quarter, they reportedly have blackout drills, which involve Musk getting ambushed with no internet, no phones, and absolutely no GPS. They also seemingly train in hostile territory extraction, AI disinformation detection. Internet reacts cool or creepy. Reactions online range from, "Bro, that's so sick," to, "This is literally a Bond villain origin story." One Redditor said, "Musk lives like a Batman. Honestly, respect." So what does this all mean? Musk's $1 billion, 0-cents bodyguard empire might seem excessive, or it might be the new standard. In a time where billionaires are building rockets, AI, and social platforms, the old rules of celebrity security just aren't enough. If Musk is the example that people are going to follow, let's just say we might have more people with Cybertrucks and $1 billion secret security. But it also raises some deep questions. Who gets this kind of protection? What kind of world are we heading into if private forces rival government-level security? Maybe Elon isn't paranoid. Maybe he just knows exactly where this is all going, and he's getting ready. Hey, if Elon Musk's life sounds like a movie, maybe that's because he's living about 10 years ahead of the rest of us. Either way, one thing's for sure, if you ever want to approach Elon Musk in person, don't. Just think of this video and go on with your life if you don't want to be in trouble. Because messing with billionaires in the past was something else. But Elon Musk, don't say I didn't warn you. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more information on AI robots and new technology.